Investigating farm machinery breakdowns and service support system conditions in rainfed rice areas in Riau province, Indonesia. This article is written by 3 authors. First author Ujang Payman. Second author Carousel. Last author Salvia Sutriana. Contribution and originality of the study is that this study contributes to the implementation of farm machinery management policies to improve the associated maintenance and service support systems to prevent machinery breakdowns in the field and thereby aid farmers. Farm machinery breakdowns are the most common problems farmers face in field operations. The problems can cause losses of time, power, and money and must therefore be prevented. This research investigates farm machinery breakdowns and loss of machine power, as well as service support conditions in Riau province, Indonesia. Most data were collected from secondary sources published by the Food Crop and Horticulture Services of Riau province and the Statistical Bureau of Riau province. The data on service support facilities were obtained through field visits to service support sites in the province. The number of farm machines, farm power, and machine breakdowns increased during the period 2010 to 2021. There were different breakdown rates among farm machines and regencies. The highest annual growth was 17.03% for water pumps, followed by power threshers, 14.41%, and two-wheel tractors, 14.32%. Rockenhiller Regency had the highest level of machinery breakdowns, reaching 26.93% annually. The total loss of machine power was 9,553 horsepower per year on average, or 15.76% of the total power of 61,357 horsepower per year. The availability of service support facilities like workshops and storage sheds was very limited and remained inadequate. A lack of spare parts and mechanics was also found in the surveyed areas of the province. Thanks for watching this video of Asian Journal of Agriculture and Rural Development Volume 12 Issue Number 3.